The human brain has a specialized ability to perceive and recognize faces. This process, known as facial perception, involves a combination of complex cognitive and neurological mechanisms. While our understanding of the brain's exact mechanisms for face perception is still evolving, I can provide you with a general overview of the current scientific understanding. Facial features. The brain analyzes the key features of a face, such as the eyes, nose, mouth, and their relative positions. These features provide important cues for facial recognition. Facial gestalt. Beyond individual features, the brain also processes the overall configuration and arrangement of facial components. This gestalt processing allows us to recognize faces even when some details are obscured or absent. Specialized face processing areas. The brain has specialized regions, such as the fusiform face area, FFA, and occipital face area, OFA, that are specifically involved in face perception. These areas are located in the visual cortex and play a crucial role in processing facial information. Holistic processing. The brain employs holistic processing to perceive faces. Instead of focusing solely on individual features, it considers the face as a whole. This holistic approach allows for efficient and accurate face recognition. Facial identity recognition. The brain stores a mental database of familiar faces, which enables us to recognize and distinguish different individuals. This recognition process involves comparing the perceived face with stored representations in memory. Emotional and social processing. The brain also integrates facial perception with emotional and social information. It recognizes facial expressions, such as happiness, sadness, or anger, and interprets the emotional states and intentions of others. Mirror neurons. Mirror neurons, a type of brain cell, play a role in facial perception by simulating observed facial expressions within our own brain. They contribute to our ability to empathize and understand the emotions of others. It's important to note that face perception is a complex and dynamic process influenced by various factors, including cultural and individual differences. Ongoing research in neuroscience continues to shed light on the intricate workings of the brain's perception of faces.